What's good, YouTube? Merry Christmas. And today I'm going to be doing an on-foot look at these Pokemon Snorlax Slippers. They're from thinkgeek.com. I'll put that link in the description so you can check them out if they still got them available. As you can see, the footholes are in its belly. Kind of looks like a donut. And I try to get these on, but they do not fit my feet, unfortunately. But I have someone here whose feet they do fit. And when you walk, they snore. We're going to get those on foot right now for you. Come on, Peanut, watch out. As you can hear, they're just snoring up a storm. And I think they said the battery's irreplaceable, so once they stop snoring, they stop snoring for good. Alright, stand up. Turn to the side. Yeah. This makes a really cool gift for anyone who's a Pokemon fan or who just likes Snorlax, I guess. I'm gonna give you guys an aerial view. Let's get a few steps in. Yeah, so Merry Christmas, YouTube. And I'll put that link in the description if you like them. The Snorlax!